Our wall cladding tool that we've got in our designer tab there for the walls, if we hover over it, is called cladding right there. I'm going to insert 2 walls just to start with. Now, when we go into our wall designer settings, I'm going to press F4, or we can go into File and go to wall designer settings right there. Now, when we go to the walls tab and all the way in the middle of that section there, we go to the walls tab and we go to the cladding thickness that we've got in that section. We can change the cladding thickness depending on the cladding that we're planning on using. So for example's sake, if we would use a 12mm thick board on the inside or on the outside of my wall panel, I'm going to click OK. Going to that tool, let me zoom in slightly there. If I click on the inside, you can see what's happening right there. Click on the outside. So what this actually does, it does take an effect on your dimensioning, but it does not have any effect on what is actually manufactured from the machine. Now, in some cases where you do need to do this for dimensioning purposes, let's insert another wall there. If we do need to do this for dimensioning purposes where we want to, let's say for example, get a wall dimension from 6 meters. And let's say we want to do an additional 12mm. This is purely for example's sake. Click on the inside there and it adds 12mm on the dimension. So you'll know that we've got cladding on the outside and then on the inside of that it's just 90mm. And again, it does not have any effect on what is manufactured or the actual properties of your wall. It just changes the thickness to allocate additional dimension on your project.